So you might be wondering how to exactly fix the Fortnite building bug here in the latest update. Well, there are a few things that we need to check here. Now the thing with Fortnite's building bug is they actually added a specific setting here that allows you to peek in corners, which is weapon canting. So you need to disable that because it's actually pretty bugged. So to do that, you want to go ahead and just click on your in this case your profile icon at the top right. You want to go to settings and you want to go ahead and just choose controller. Now, by the way, this option or this specific setting here is primarily affects people who are using controllers. So again, you want to go and scroll down a bit here. You want to go to targeting. You want to look for weapon canting. If you do see that in here, you want to go and click on the X button next to it to basically remove the mapping for it. And once you remove the mapping, that should fix your issue. Just make sure to save your changes. But yeah, also another thing that you may want to do is you want to look for building here, remove the mapping for it, and re-add the button that you're using for building. So that actually helps a lot. And once you've done that, you want to go and just restart Fortnite here and see if that actually helps. But that's about it. So in this case, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.